Ever wondered what makes Mexican cuisine so unique and tantalizing? It's a world of flavors, a symphony of aromas, and a canvas of colors that entices your senses. Mexican cuisine is a vibrant blend of indigenous Mesoamerican cooking, Spanish influences, and a sprinkle of other cultural infusions, creating a rich and diverse gastronomic tapestry. The heart of Mexican cuisine is steeped in history, each dish telling a tale of ancient civilizations, colonial interactions, and regional diversity. It's more than just food, it's a celebration of life and community, a testament to Mexico's cultural resilience and creativity. But what truly sets Mexican cuisine apart is its recognition as a UNESCO intangible cultural heritage. This isn't just about delicious dishes, it's about preserving a way of life, a cultural heritage that is shared globally. So, are you ready to embark on a culinary expedition? Join us on this culinary journey as we delve deeper into the heart of Mexican cuisine. Imagine biting into a soft tortilla filled with a vibrant mix of flavors. That's the magic of tacos. Let's embark on a journey back in time to the origins of this delightful dish. Tacos, as we know them today, are believed to have their roots in the heart of ancient Mexico. There's a rich tapestry of history woven into this humble dish, with archaeological evidence suggesting that the indigenous people of the Valley of Mexico were enjoying fish tacos as far back as the 14th century. But the taco, much like the culture from which it sprang, is not a static entity. It has evolved and diversified over the centuries, with each region of Mexico adding its unique twist to the recipe. In the north, you might find carne asada tacos, stuffed with grilled beef, while the south is famous for its al pastor, a delightful blend of spit-roasted pork and pineapple. The cultural significance of tacos cannot be overstated. More than just a meal, tacos are a celebration of community and tradition. Street vendors, or taqueros, are a common sight across Mexico, their stalls serving as social hubs where locals gather to enjoy good food and good company. And let's not forget the international journey of tacos. From humble beginnings, this dish has spread far and wide, with every corner of the globe adding its own interpretation. Whether it's the hard-shell tacos of the United States, the Korean-inspired bulgogi tacos, or even the sushi tacos of Japan, the diverse flavors of this dish reflect the global love for Mexican cuisine. So, the next time you bite into a taco, remember the centuries of history and the cultural journey that has led to that delicious moment. Whether it's a simple fish taco or an elaborate gourmet creation, every taco tells a story of tradition, community, and culinary innovation. Tacos, a humble yet versatile dish, truly embodies the spirit of Mexican cuisine. Enchiladas, a delightful combination of corn tortillas, meat, cheese, and chili sauce, is another gem of Mexican cuisine. As we delve into the history of this culinary marvel, we discover that its roots stretch back to Mayan times, when people living in the Valley of Mexico would wrap tortillas around small fish. This humble beginning evolved over centuries, and by the time of the Spanish conquest, enchiladas had become a common part of the Mesoamerican diet. The basic preparation of enchiladas begins with corn tortillas, a cornerstone of Mexican cuisine. These tortillas are filled with a variety of ingredients, most commonly a type of protein like chicken or beef, and then rolled up. The rolled tortillas are then drenched in chili sauce, creating a savory, spicy experience that is quintessentially Mexican. A sprinkle of cheese on top, which is then melted to perfection, completes the dish. But enchiladas are not just a monolith. They have regional variations that reflect the diverse cultures and landscapes of Mexico. For instance, in the northern states, you'll find enchiladas montadas, where the tortillas are layered instead of rolled, much like a lasagna. Down south in Oaxaca, enchiladas are often served with a side of mole, a rich and complex sauce that is a culinary treasure in its own right. What's more, enchiladas have crossed borders and oceans, finding a place in the menus of Mexican restaurants worldwide. They have become a staple not just in Mexico, but in countless households and dining establishments around the globe. From the streets of New York to the cafes of Paris, the appeal of enchiladas is universal. So why have enchiladas captured the world's culinary imagination? Perhaps it's the perfect balance of textures and flavors. Or maybe it's the versatility, the ability to make them your own. Or it could be the rich history that adds an extra layer of depth to every bite. Whatever the reason, one thing is certain: Enchiladas, with their rich flavors and hearty fillings, are a testament to Mexico's culinary genius. Chilen Nogada, a dish that symbolizes Mexican patriotism, is as intriguing as it is delicious. This culinary masterpiece is more than just a meal. It's a vibrant tapestry woven with threads of history, culture, and tradition. You see, the origins of Chilen Nogada can be traced back to the early 19th century. It was the summer of 1821, a time when Mexico was on the cusp of gaining independence. The Augustinian nuns of Puebla, wanting to honor the visiting revolutionary general, Agustín de Iturbide, decided to create a dish that embodied the spirit of their soon-to-be independent nation. Thus, Chilen Nogada was born. The dish is a beautiful fusion of flavors, textures, and colors. At its heart, it's a poblano chili pepper, stuffed with a rich, savory sweet filling called picadillo. This blend of shredded meat, fruits, and spices is a delicious whirlwind of taste. But the magic doesn't stop there. The stuffed chili is then cloaked in a creamy walnut-based sauce known as nogada. Smooth, sweet, and slightly nutty, it complements the picadillo perfectly. Finally, a sprinkle of pomegranate seeds adds a burst of tart freshness, completing the dish. And it's not just about the taste. Chilen Nogada is a visual representation of the Mexican flag. The green poblano chili, the white nogada sauce, and the red pomegranate seeds mirror the colors of the flag, symbolizing the newborn Mexican Republic. The preparation of Chilen Nogada is a labor of love and tradition. It's typically made in August and September, during the peak of the pomegranate and walnut season. The dish is often associated with Mexican Independence Day celebrations, further cementing its patriotic significance. Chilen Nogada, a dish steeped in history and patriotism, epitomizes the pride of Mexican cuisine. From its historical roots to its symbolic colors and unique preparation, every aspect of Chilen Nogada tells a story. It's a story of a nation's journey to independence, of a culture rich in tradition, and of a cuisine that continues to captivate taste buds around the world. Mexico's cuisine, a delightful fusion of history, culture, and flavor, offers a gastronomic adventure like no other. We've embarked on an exciting culinary journey today, revealing the delicious secrets of some of Mexico's most iconic dishes. We began by acknowledging the unique status of Mexican cuisine, recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity. This distinct honor is a testament to the depth and complexity of Mexico's culinary landscape, a reflection of its rich cultural heritage and history. The humble taco, a staple of Mexican cuisine, took center stage next. We explored its deep roots in history, tracing it back to the indigenous people of Mexico. The taco is not just a food item, it's a cultural symbol, a versatile canvas that allows for endless creativity and variation. Our journey then led us to the story of enchiladas, a dish that exemplifies the diverse regional influences within Mexican cuisine. We discovered how the enchilada evolved from simple corn tortillas dipped in chili sauce to a complex dish with a myriad of fillings and flavors. Finally, we delved into the journey of Chilen Nogada, a dish that encapsulates the spirit of Mexico. Its vibrant colors symbolize the Mexican flag, and its creation is steeped in history, tied to the country's independence. This culinary expedition has only scratched the surface of Mexico's diverse cuisine. There's so much more to explore, taste, and experience. Each dish tells a story, echoing the voices of the past and offering a taste of Mexico's vibrant culture and history. Now that you've had a taste of the rich and diverse world of Mexican cuisine, remember to share this culinary journey with your friends, give us a like if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing culinary adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.